morning, it's Rachel here, and I am just doing a quick video to talk about the Flower Magic Art Fest. Sorry, I always get it all around the wrong way. I've done a few things in my journal in preparation for next Friday, although I won't be here next Friday. However, I will catch up when I get back. So the Flower Fest will go for, it's an online course. There's 14 teachers over. The course will go, the videos will be released over a period of 20 days. And I think there's something like 30 videos, tutorials from different teachers. And but then you have lifetime access. So what we have going on now, or Francisca has going on now, is the early birds. And so the early bird price is $30 less than the regular price. As of when the lessons start on the 5th of August, the price will go up to the higher price. So even if you don't have time to do it now, like I don't, you will have lifetime access should you decide to join. And there's already, sorry, I'm back. So so there's already content up on the course website. There's a welcome package, and so you can go and enjoy that. And as I mentioned before, Francisca has her free art journal making course. It's free for the, I believe, for the duration of the course. And she's also put other things up in the course already. So I just want to show you what I've done. So I've been in there and followed along. This is not part of it. I just running stitched my tie here, and I could decide that I may decide to close it like this with a bit of I may decide if I have a pretty brooch, you know, just to pin it close like that sort of thing. But for the moment I'm going to tie it. And so I'll just show you inside what I have done. So Francisca has an envelope course that she is offering as a bonus lesson, and that's available to people who have purchased the course already. And so I made mine slightly different to hers because I didn't try her method of stiffening the fabric, but I would like to try that. So, but I was a bit short of time, so I didn't. But I did do the stitching and the folding and everything else. I don't have Francisca's wonderful buttons. She has a button course. She makes these incredible buttons. I must get that one day and do that, but they would look fabulous on here. And then the next thing I've done, and I have done something else, but I'll show you that in another video. I did this inspired by, I think it's Susan Randers, and she did a different project with that. She decorated the cover of a journal that she'd made last year that was sort of damaged, and so she shows how she did that. And then I just added it onto this page, and it's kind of like my little title page, and I did some stitching there, and I added one of my little swatchy bits, and I just sort of like that as a introduction to my book. And it made me feel really excited to work in my book. So I'll share some photographs on Instagram. As mentioned, you can still get the early bird price up until the 4th of August is the last day. And I will put the link down below. And yeah, and you've got a week to have fun. If you haven't signed up, you've got a week to prepare yourself a journal and play with the few different videos that are up there. Make yourself some little envelopes and just have some fun with it and get ready for it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you at the Flower Fest. Bye.